There are fears public service jobs in Tasmania are about to be slashed. Unions and the opposition are calling on the Premier to state his intentions as speculation grows about the state of the budget. Today, Forestry Tasmania announced it's axing 50 jobs, and the government-owned business hasn't ruled out forced redundancies.
Forestry Tasmania will cut its workforce from 400 to 350 by the end of June. It's blaming losses that'll flow from the forest peace deal and the closure of Gunns Mills at Burnie, Hampshire and Longreach. All the 50 job losses will be in the north, and sackings are possible.
People have been given a couple of weeks to put expression of interest in for voluntary redundancies. If that doesn't produce sufficient staff reduction numbers, then unfortunately we're not ruling out involuntary redundancies.
Industry claims the job losses are the tip of the iceberg.
Their business is likely to be halved if the Statement of Principles agreement is concluded, and as a consequence this will be but the beginning.
The implementation of the Statement of Principles is well on track. People have accepted that this is the best opportunity we have of resolving the conflict over logging our native forests.
It's feared government jobs in forestry aren't the only ones in the firing line. Unions have sent an urgent letter to the Premier. They're concerned hundreds of public sector jobs are about to be slashed ahead of the mid-year financial review.
The indication is that the forced sackings are in the order of some many hundreds. The first stage of that would be within the Department of Health.
The Health Department's released a statement denying there'll be sackings, but it has said 90 jobs in disability services will be outsourced by March, and voluntary redundancies are on offer. The opposition's calling on the Premier to let public servants know what his plans are.
Release now the true extent of Tasmania's finances and assure Tasmanians that we're not going to see the shedding of hundreds of jobs as is being speculated.
Business says the government may not have any other option.
Yes, it will be a very tight budget, but it's important that we reduce wages costs so that vital infrastructure can continue to be built.
A government spokeswoman says the state budget is not yet locked in, and it's still too early to say if there'll be job losses. Anna Yard, ABC News.